everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Dogecoin. Once again, my friends, I'm present with the latest update of Dogecoin. What's the current price of Dogecoin, what's the price changes occurs in the Dogecoin. In this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe in our ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. As you can see here now, the Dogecoin is very fastly moving upwards. So first of all, I want to congrats all Dogecoin holders, because I'm very happy to see this kind of changes occurs in the Dogecoin. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that what's going on in the Dogecoin. Let's share with all of you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe, so please I request once again that please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now if you look the latest price of the Dogecoin, so 0.347157 USD dollar, friends, is the currently latest price of the Dogecoin. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurs in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 week pricing is going positive, except of this the last 1 week pricing is only negative, friends. This means, my friends, that the Dogecoin start moving upward. The price is going upward from the yesterday, friends. So absolutely, I'm very happy to see that the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So now that means that currently they are in the jumping mood. So congratulations to all Dogecoin holders. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on, my friends? You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Dogecoin. So you can see here in the start of May, the Dogecoin start moving upward. But now if you look the currently condition of the Dogecoin, so now at this time they fast down. But now at this time I think they gradually start moving upward, as I show you, friends, that the last 1 day, last 1 hour pricing is positive. So that's mean that the pricing goes better. And my friends, my prediction is that in the start of June there is 100% chances to this take a huge pump, friends. The huge pump of Dogecoin are coming soon in the start of June. What do you think, my friends? That is my prediction, my friends. And what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box. And I think maybe there is a 80% chance to hit $1 USD, friends, in the June, because the huge pump coming soon. So maybe they hit $1 USD in the June, friends. So don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.